Welcome to your dreamland and welcome to Lekki Pride III. This is incentive o'clock. We are rewarding our clients and I will tell you what is all about. So this is Lekki Pride III on Ogombo Road. I know that this is not my first time of seeing this or doing video here. If you have been following my channel, you will know that I've done a lot of video here. Lekki Pride 3 is on Ogombo Road. If you don't know Ogombo Road, Ogombo Road is at Ajah axis along Adesanya Estate, immediately after Ajah Jubilee Bridge, where we have Royal Garden Estate. So we have a road. We have a road called Ogombo Road. Lekki Pride 3 is facing Ogombo Road on a well-tarred road, not just any road. It's well-tarred, and I believe with all this, you can't miss Lekki Pride 3. If you want to build your dream home, this is where you should invest your money in. This is Lekki Pride 3. It's a site and service estate. We are only selling land here. We are not doing building here. We are selling land. And we have 300 square meter, 400 square meter, and 500 square meter. I told you we are running promo. Yes, we are running promo on 300 and 500 square meter. So if you're buying for this October, if you're buying this October 500 square meter, you'll be paying 55 million naira, all inclusive, instead of you paying 65 million naira, because we've already increased the price to 65. But we are a company that when you talk, we listen, and we are looking for a way to even reward our clients. Don't forget that our incentive is still on. What is this incentive? Like I said, we have 500 selling for 55 million naira all inclusive, and we have 300 selling for 33 million all inclusive of survey, documentation, and development levy. So for you to qualify for a Toyota Corolla, you need to do a minimum deposit of 30 million naira to qualify for a car. You have your land as well as you have a car. What we are saying to you is that deposit 30 million naira. So you have your land, you still have your car. So it's 500 and 300 square meter now we are doing promo on. But if you still want to wait, you can wait, because initial deposit of 5 million naira, you will buy 500 square meter for 65 million naira. So, and I want you to enjoy this before everything goes back to normal, because this will last till 31st of October 2022. So this promo is still on. I want you to enjoy this promo, because after this end of the promo, everything will go back to normal. We'll start selling 500 square meter for 65 million naira, 300 square meter for 39 million naira, and 400 square meter for 52 million naira. This is the time to buy. This is the time to invest in Lekki Pride 3. It's a site and service estate. You can build your dream home, and we have a lot of things that we are going to give you here. Greeneries. I know that you like greens, and it's part of the features we are going to give you here. Solar power street lights, good road network, underground electrification, the portable water supply, 24/7 security, 24/7 power supply. These are the things we are giving you in Lekki Pride 3, and also recreational facility for your children. We have that one too in mind to give you. So coupled with everything that we are doing, we've expanded we've acquired more land here, and we've expanded to the other side, so that you're still, maybe you are procrastinating, we've acquired more, you can subscribe now. Because there was a time that we were about to sold out, but now we've acquired more, and you can subscribe now. We have 300 square meter, we have 400 square meter, and we have 500 square meter. With our success in real estate, we are confident that when we promise you things, we will make sure that we deliver our promise. And also, what I observe most for us is this: it's better to under promise and over deliver, and that is what we have been doing. We've done projects, Zealous Court in Bogije, we've done extension 2 in Bogije, and Zealous Court 2 for terraces and for landed property is still selling in Bogije. So, and this place, you know that you have a lot of proximity to Ajah Lekki, where the federal government just gave us the approval for the international airport. So, where are my clients in diaspora? This is the time to buy. This is the time to invest. Last year, 500 square meter on this road, it was selling for 30 million naira. Later, we move it to 40 million naira. But now, look at the price. So this is the time to enjoy. And if you want to ask me, this road, this is still the most affordable land on this road. We've started our gatehouse and we are working. So all this will be delivered dry to you. What you just need to do is you come to the site and you can start building immediately. So let's go in to see what we have there, so that you can see everything. I want you to pick my number showing on your screen. Start calling me right away. This is Lekki Pride 3. The site and service, like I said, if you want to build your dream home, and also if you want to do investments with it. Maybe you want to do 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, there is a section for that, so that you can start your own business, owning property in the prime location. So this is our gatehouse, where security and gym, every other thing we'll put here. So we are still doing it, and on this land, the time that we started selling, we started April 2022. So we've done first allocation here. So we are putting all the infrastructure together, and we've signed a company that we put this together. We've signed the papers, so they've started. You can see everything is taking shape. Don't wait till everything finish, because the price will not be the same thing. Yes, by January 2023, that is the timeline for all the infrastructure to put everything together. So don't wait till next year, because what I'm telling you now, for the promo running, you can still get this for 55 million naira. If you are doing that, and for 300 square meter all inclusive, 33 million naira. What I just telling you, that if you want to enjoy this promo and to qualify for the car, you will do 30 million initial deposit. But if you don't want the car, you just want to buy, then you can enjoy the promo now. You will do 5 million initial deposit. After 31st of October, the price will go back to, for 500 square meter, it will go back to 65 million naira. For the 500 square meter, for 400 square meter, it will go back to 47 million naira, and for 300 square meter, will be selling for 39 million naira. And all the prices that I mentioned is excluded the documentation and the rest. So if for the promo now, everything is inclusive. So call me right away with initial deposit of 5 million naira. If you don't want the car, you can subscribe right away. This is Lekki Pride 3. where we are selling your dreamland. This is site and service. Call me right away. My name is Olashile David. If you're seeing my video for the first time, subscribe and turn on your bell notification so that anytime I post my video, you can be the first person to see the notification. And follow us on all our social media handles. Don't stop investing in real estate.